This is my entry for my instruction video. So the first things that we will need is a computer. The other requirement is a stable internet connection, just so we're able to get online, access files that we're going to be working with. And the last requirement is just to have fun. Coding can be very difficult and a pain in the butt, as we all know. What I'm trying to do is just take steps and breaking them down so it could be easy to understand for anybody, so anyone can be motivated to begin. I highly recommend just putting lo-fi music in the background. Usually helps me. So to emphasize what we're going to do today, we're going to go over text editor installation. We're going to go over GitHub and coding in Ruby. To begin, you're going to need an internet browser. Any internet browser of your choice would work. I personally use Safari. From here, we're going to start going to atom.io. This is the text editor that I personally use. This is the one I'm more comfortable with. You could download Visual Studio Code if you like, or any other text editors that you guys want to use. So once you go to atom.io, it'll give you the release, and it'll also give you the operating system that you're on. It'll automatically detects it. So you can just easily click download, just let it run in the background. It's going to be a quick one. In the meantime, we're going to go to github.com. I already have an account, so I'm going to sign in. This is my page when I sign in. Yours might look a little bit different. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to look for the repo that we're going to plug into. So from there, we're going to click on the search bar that's on the top left, and we're going to type in Turing School / Ruby. It's going to take us to this page, and you're going to click on the first link. So now we're on the Turing School's page under the Ruby exercises format. What you're going to do next is you're going to fork into this repo. What it does, it just gives you the ability to save your own copy of all this. So when you fork into it, you're going to go back to your page, to your profile, you click your repositories. It should be the first one on the top. From here, you're going to click on the green code button. It should be on your right hand side, and you're going to click on the HTTPS. You're going to click on this little clipboard right here, so it saves it to your clipboard. Around now is your text editor should be done installing. Double click that. You're going to verify it. It's going to ask you, are you sure you want to download it because it did come to the internet? Just hit open. It's going to open up that. What we're going to do is we're going to start working with our terminal, which I know could be kind of scary for a lot of people. We're going to go step by step and guide you guys along the way. So the first thing is to hit the command and space bar, and it's going to take you to your Spotlight search. From your Spotlight search, you can type in your terminal, and it's going to pop up right away. It's going to look something like this. So from your terminal, it gives you the login, it gives you whose user it is. I personally like to know what exactly I'm working with first before I do anything, so I'm going to hit ls, and it gives me my folder directory and my folder structure, so I can see all the files that I have. You can clone the repository that we're going to use, and to do that, we're going to hit git clone and command V so it can paste that URL. We'll hit enter, and it's going to start downloading that repository that we have right into our machine. From there, we're going to open up Atom again, and we're going to hit this Atom button on the top left. Scroll all the way down to install shell commands. Shell commands, Atom, and APM are installed. That allows us to be able to open up Atom from our terminal. So if you want to open up Ruby exercises, which is right here, and view it on Atom, all you have to do is type in Atom, Ruby, hit the tab button, and press enter. Awesome. So we have Ruby exercises downloaded. I showed you how to use GitHub. I showed you how to download your own text editor. So we completed the installation process. From here, we're going to go into working with code, and we're going to work with Ruby, and we're going to try to make some tests run.